Hello everyone, welcome to the Excel formulas lesson number 21st. In the lesson number 20th we discuss about concatenate function and also the ampersand option. So I'm going to show you today in this lesson number 21st how you can use these two options with two different sheets. You maybe have a question, you have information in two different sheets or several sheets and you want to combine them into a one cell in a different sheet, right, as a one string, right? Let's see how we can do that. Let's try first the concatenate function. So here I already defined, I already created the formula, and you can see Mr. Mark Anthony, the basic salary is $5,000. So Mr. Mark Anthony, that name information in our names sheet, and basic salary is in our basic salary sheet. So two different sheets, but we are going to combine those information into a one cell as a one string, right? So this is how the formula looks like. You can see concatenate, open brackets, B3 is Mr., comma, and we need to put a dot, then open quotation, dot, or close quotation, comma, C3, that is the name Mark, the first name, comma, and then open quotation, space, close quotation, comma, and then D3, that is the last name, and then comma, open quotation, then the dash, a simple dash, right? You can put a space, then dash, or even without a space you can put a dash. If you put a space, then you will see a space, right, after you receive the value as one string. And then with space or without space, a close quotation, and then comma, and then open quotation, and type basic salary is USD. It will not change. And then space. Why we are putting a space after USD? Because we need to have a space in this string after we getting it, right? And then close quotation and comma, and then go to the basic salary sheet and select the related cell where you want to get the basic salary for this particular staff, and then close bracket, hit enter. So that is how you can use the concatenate function with different sheets, right? So now let me do one for you. So right now you can see that is how we can get it, and also you can combine this this dash into this basic salary in USD. So let me show you how you can do that. So just put this dash and put a space like this and remove this part, right, and hit enter. See, you see the same. So likewise you can be creative a little bit, no? So I'm just telling you the basics, so try to be more practical, more creative. Right, now let's copy this. What will happen? See, it's coming. 6,000 is the next person salary. James, it's correct, right? So same way you can try to do the AND. Let me do that. Alright, so you can see the same result you get, right? You can think about what should be the best option that suit to you. either concatenate or the ampersand. So ampersand is a little bit faster than the concatenate, right? You can copy and see. Yep, that is correct. Root also have the 5000. Let's go and change here to 10,000, and then you must see the change here, right, like this way. Right friends, that is how you can further use this concatenate and ampersand functions or the options with two different or multiple sheets when you have information and when you want to combine them into one string. This is how you can play with those. Thank you for watching. Please follow the page and do a like and share the video as much as possible. Learn, apply, multiply. God bless you all. Have a nice day.